There's your airbag wires. Fucking off up here. All these fucking things are unplugged.
Are they unplugged? Oh yeah.
What are these for? Yeah, look at that steering column. That's the rack, mate.
You don't think it's this bolt here? Maybe that's a bit loose. No. Oh yeah. Wait. I think I fucking can feel it moving. Maybe.
Well, no, because look at the rack.
Yeah.
It's turning with it. So it can't be anything to do with that, because this ain't turning before that. See what I'm saying? If that was turning like that and that wasn't moving, yeah. But that ain't.
Do not listen to him. Basically, he wants you to spend loads of money. It is that bolt. We've had this car absolutely stripped, changed everything, and there was still some play in it. So that bolt, guys, you need to tighten up, and if you subscribe to our channel, we will show you how to do it properly, but that will be in the future, baby. Let me just quickly see what kind of screw it's in there and get that fucker off. Oh, you can see it in there. Yeah, it's a hex.
Hex?
Fuck knows, I'm a foreign bastard. Like a start.
Don't get torch.
Where's this fucking torch? So dudes, it's this bolt right here. We've got it unbolted, but what you need to do is tighten it really hard. Tom and I here thought it wasn't that, and we ended up actually stripping the whole front, basically replacing the idler control arms and pitman arm, and this problem persisted. So I even actually ordered the steering box, this shit, and it wasn't that. So don't waste your time, money. Make sure that bolt under the steering wheel is very tight.
Is this electric?
Is it electric? Power steering?
Is this an electric pump?
No, Tom, stop fucking embarrassing yourself. It's an e34.
Yes,
it came just after the caveman had fire, so it's not electric.
I think this is gone, mate.
Let's see. I think your fucking brains has gone.
Look how much free plate's in that.
The joint?
Yeah, but you can feel the knock.
Yeah, I can see it. I can see that move before that. No,
it's that, the actual motor. There's no...
Oh, in the rack?
Yeah, there's too much backlash on it.
In the steering rack?
You could probably adjust it, but it's a fucking pain in the arse to do. Getting it right.
Yeah. Yes, these boxes are very solid, and they do adjust and tighten up.
It may be normal.
So it is that bolt. So check that bolt. If it's not, then it could be that, but it's very
I don't think so,
unlikely.
mate. It should be tight as a duck's ass.